What's up, boys and girls? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. Tonight we have the Tingmengte 6-inch mini chainsaw, 24 volt. I got this. Let's unbox it real quick, see what's inside. Looks like a cool product. I think there's some great uses for it, so let's check it out. So here's the Tingmengte inside 6-inch cordless chainsaw. You get gloves with it, owner's manual, one chain, that's a spare, little dripper bottle. Here's the tool itself, has the chain already on there, and it's tightened perfectly how you'd want it. You get a charger, battery light indicator, comes with safety goggles, tool to clean it out, that's pretty neat, I like that. Screwdriver to make adjustments, maybe take off this guard, and two 2-amp-hour batteries, I believe, 24 volt lithium ion. I will check to see how fast they take to charge. This kit, I believe, is in the $60 range on Amazon. You plug it in the front there, and the light is red, so we'll charge these batteries up. There are no battery light indicators on the batteries, but that's okay. Let's get this in the hand here. So I like the little guard, protect the fingers. You gotta push this button here to let it rip. You have a safety guard on the top there. Got the name there. Adjustment, looks like it's fairly easy. Just unscrew that, probably pull this out to whatever you like. Take a look inside there. Metal gear here to drive the chain. Sits in there very nice. There's even a little metal inside this plastic pressed in. Tighten that up. Battery sticks on pretty well. First little doesn't sound too bad. Let's go try this thing out. Alright folks, to conclude on the 6-inch cordless chainsaw, in my demonstration, cut the branch perfectly. I put the bigger wood on there just to give it a try. I tested a same type of product, I'll link it, that I gave to my buddy, and he uses the heck out of it. So the possibilities are very good with these, especially like say you're down by the campfire and have branches that too big or wood, you can just cut right through it with this. Usually I take my circ saw down, but this would be a little better of an option. And yeah, it's a nice product, has a good feel on the overmold grip there. I would like to see a 4-amp-hour battery instead of these two that I'm assuming are 1.5 or 2 amp hour batteries, and the charger is a little bit slow. The chain like I said, cut through the branch just fine. Initially there's a little bit of bump off, but that might have just been my fault or the position. But they are handy tools. I think it's in the $60 range. So if this is something that would work for you, I'd recommend it. I like the features of it. I'm more of an actual chainsaw type of guy, but if you have a smaller property, or you know, just need to trim off a few branches that are lower, this is great. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great night, and like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.